Hello, how are you today? This new video is to explain to you, I'm going to explain to you a new unit. We're going to start a new unit, which is unit 2, right? And it's called At Home. So we're going to learn things and we're going to talk about things that you do in your houses. If you like reading books or drinking water, or what else can you do at home? Watching TV, washing up, tidying up. So we're going to learn the activities and the things that you do at home. First of all, I would like to start getting to know how are you today? How are you feeling? How do you do today? Are you so-so? Or are you happy? Or are you sad? Or angry? Or surprised? Or crazy? How are you today? Good? You're sad? You're happy? You're angry? Great. Good job. I'm very happy. I also want to know what day is it. Do you have any idea what day is today? What day is it today? Is it Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or maybe Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday? What day is it today? I have no idea. Can you tell me what day is it today, please? I think it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I don't know. And how about the weather? What's the weather today? Is it sunny or rainy? Oh, rainy. Or snowy? My goodness. Oops, sorry. Or snowy or windy. Is it windy? Windy or stormy or cloudy? How would you say the weather is today? What do you think? Good, so you already noticed. We're going to play a little game. I have here some images. Yes, a picture of a father and a daughter at home. So they are in their houses, inside their homes, like everyone today with this quarantine and coronavirus and stuff. So we're at home, and what activities are they doing? Number one, the father, what do you think he's doing? What do you think he is doing? Yes, he is watching TV. He is watching TV. And how about the girl? What is she doing? She is drinking, right? She is drinking. So you could say that the father is watching TV. He is watching TV, and she is drinking. Perfect. Good job. How about these two guys? They're brothers. What are they doing? What's the boy doing? What's this brother doing? He is, do you have an idea? He is listening to music. He is listening to music. And how about this other boy here? He was playing, and now he's putting everything in order. So the car's in the box, and then the box in the cupboard. So he is tidying up or cleaning up. Do you remember when I say clean up, clean up? Well, that's what's he doing. He is tidying up. So listening to music, tidying up. Good job. Perfect. Let's see two more people. Let's see about the mother now and the daughter. So here we have a mother in number 5, and we have a daughter in number 6. The name of the daughter is Carla. This is Carla. Carla and her mother. So what's Carla's mother? What's the mother doing? What's she doing? What's she doing? Do you have an idea? She is reading a book. She is reading a book. And what's Carla doing? She is talking on the phone. There you go. So number 5, reading a book, and number 6, talking on the phone. Great. How about number 7 and number 8? Number 7 and number 8. What's the girl doing? That's Lucy. What's Lucy doing? She is, yum yum. She is eating. She is eating, right? She is eating. And what is he doing? What's Sam doing? He is washing up. He's washing the dishes, right? He's helping mom and dad. He's helping in the kitchen and he's washing up. Do you help your mommy? Do you help your mommy and daddy? Do you wash the dishes? You should. You're big enough. You can do it. So help at home. That's a good idea. It's a good thing to do. So number 7, Lucy is eating, and number 8, Sam is washing up. Perfect. So now I'm going to show you 2 pictures here, and you're going to tell me what are they doing. What are they doing? What is he doing here? What is he doing? He is, do you remember? He is reading a book. And how about this other guy here? He is reading, he is watching TV. He is watching TV and he is reading, right? Watching TV and reading. Reading, watching TV. Good. Let's see 2 more students or 2 more people, 2 more boys. He is listening to music, right? And he is drinking. So listening to music, drinking, right? Good job. Perfect. Very good. He is listening to music, he is drinking. How about these 2 other boys? Let's see. Oops, over there. How about this one here? This boy over here. What is he doing? He is, do you remember? Talking on the phone. Talking on the phone. And what is he doing? He is, do you remember? He is eating. He is eating. So talking on the phone and eating. You can repeat if you want, or you can read if you want. There you go. Nice job. We have 2 more kids here. So what's this boy over here doing? What's he doing? He is tidying up. He's putting everything away. He's done with playing. He finished playing and now he's putting everything away and then cleaning up. So he's tidying up. Tidying up. And how about this other boy? What is he doing? What is he doing? He is washing up. Washing up. There you go. So tidying up and washing up. Good job. There you go. Good. Oh, it's not running. So now I have this situation here. You're going to read with me, okay? So, let's see. Number 1, here, up here. What's Lucy doing? What's Lucy doing? She is listening to music, right? She is listening to music and dancing and all of that. Right. Good job, Lucy. Number 2. What's Carla doing? What's Carla doing? You can repeat after me. What's Carla doing? She is talking on the phone. She's talking on the phone. She's talking on the phone, right? Carla, the big one. This is Carla. That's Carla, right? Talking on the phone. Number 3. Carla is saying she's very angry, right? She's not happy. She's angry. Saying, I'm not talking on the phone. I'm listening to music too. Because Lucy's music is so loud that everyone can hear it, right? Yes. Great. That was the story. So, let's see. Here we have a game. Good. It's a fun game. So we're going to play together. That's the idea. So here we have the characters, right? So you have here Nick. This is Nick. This is Mike. This is Sophie. Sophie. He is Sam. She is Carla. And she is Lucy. So Can you repeat after me? He is Nick. He is Mike. She is Sophie. He is Sam. She is Carla. And she is Lucy. Right? Great. So here we have, over here, we have 4 situations. I'm going to describe, I'm going to give you clues, characteristics, things that happen, and you're going to guess, and you're going to say to me, you're talking about number 2, or that's number 4, or that's number 3, right? So, are you ready? Let's see. 3, 2, 1. In this situation, Carla is washing up. Nick is reading. Nick is reading a blue book. Sam is tidying up. And Lucy is drinking. What number is it? Is it number 1 here? Is it number 2 there? Or number 3 here? Or is it number 4 there? Yes, it's number 4. Number 4, right? Here you have Carla washing up, Nick reading a book, Lucy drinking, and we have Sam tidying up. One more. Let's see. One more. 3, 2, 1. In this picture, Lucy is drinking. Carla is listening to music. Sam is watching TV, and Nick is talking on the phone. So again, Carla is listening to music, Lucy is drinking, Sam is watching TV, and Nick is talking on the phone. What number is it? Is it number 3 over here? No, because Lucy is eating here, and I said Lucy is drinking. Is it this one over here, number 2? Oh, because Lucy is eating, and I said Lucy is drinking. So it's number 1. Lucy is drinking, Nick is talking on the phone, Carla is listening to music, and Sam is watching TV. Perfect. Good job, guys. Thanks so much. You can keep on playing. If you want to. You can continue the game. So now, I'm going to explain to you the activity that you have to do. So this time you will have to pick cards. You're going to play like Pictionary, right? Yes, like Pictionary. You pick one of these cards. You read it. It says drinking. So you mimic. You do the mimic. You act out. Van a actuar cada letrerito, cada indicación, right? You pick them randomly. You choose one. You read it. Watching TV. So you act out. Or you pick another one. You're reading. Okay, reading. And you act out. Okay? So I want you to play this game, and I want you to record it and send it to me so I can see you, because I haven't seen you for a long time now, and I won't see you. So remember, it's Pictionary. You pick a card, you read it, and you act it out with your hands or with your body. Good? That's it, guys. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful, beautiful day and beautiful week, and I'll be waiting for your recordings and your videos. Kisses and hugs, and see you on the next opportunity. Bye bye.